How to create a vintage and collectibles e-commerce website on Weebly. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the sign up button to create a new account. And if you already have an account, just go with login and then proceed to type in your email or your username. Then type in next. Click on next, to proceed to type in your password to finish your signing in. So just give it a few seconds to load, and after typing your password, click on login. And the first step of creating your store after logging in is choosing the name of the store. So it doesn't matter what name you give it now, you can always change the name later. So after choosing the name, click on continue. Then you have a question and you have 3 answers. Choose the answer that fits you. Then you proceed. Before that, do the same again with this other question. Choose the answer that fits you. Then you proceed to choosing the category of the items that you will be selling. So mine is about vintage and collectibles, so I'm going to see if I can find something related to that. So I think vintage and collectibles is in the jewelry and accessories niche or category, so I'm going to choose that one. And if you can't find your category in here, just click on other, then click on continue. After that, if you already have an address, if you already have a store in the real world, type in the address. If not, just skip this step and give them a few seconds to build your store. Then you will proceed to your dashboard. So here, just give it a few more seconds and it will be ready right now. And here, as you can see, this is your dashboard. And in your right you have the edit site button and also the design now button, and both of them take us to the editing phase. And here in your left you have 9 sections, and I'm going to go through each one of them and explain it for you. So let's start with website. We have also the edit site button in here, and we have the domains button where you can set up your domain name or change the one that you already have. Then we have the items section where you have the site's items if you want to create new products or change the ones that you already have. And if you want to categorize your products, you can create categories in this place, which is the site categories. And if you just want to create categories, you just do it in here. Then we have options, coupons, gift cards, customer reviews, and item preferences. Then we have the orders section where you can check all of your orders, see the fulfilled one, the shipped one, the cancelled one, and so on. Then we have the fulfillment section where you can set up your pickup settings and your shipping settings. Then we have the reports section where you can check the site's traffic reports, site's activity reports, sources reports, online sales reports, and so on. And if you want to see the summary of all these reports, just click on summary. And then we have the marketing section where you can find every tool that is related to growing your audience, starting from email, automated ads, mailing lists, segments, and setup. And also you have the summary if you want to see the summary of all these tools. And then we have the communications section where you have the email and text alerts, pop-ups, messenger, and abandoned carts. And then we have the settings section where you have the general settings where you can set your company name or change the one that you already put in. You can also change the address, change the number, change the email, and so on. As you can see, the company name, address, the email, and the phone number. Then we have the checkout where you can set your payment processors like connecting your Stripe account or connecting your PayPal account Then we have the sales taxes, where you can set your taxes. Then we have the units, where you can change the site language, and you can also edit the units that you have. So that's it for this. That's it for these sections. Let's go back to the overview and let's proceed to the editing phase by clicking on the edit site button, and you will need to be a little bit patient and give it a few seconds to load. So here, as you can see, it's loading now. Just a second while we build your site, so just give it a few seconds. And here you have the setup guide. You can just ignore it and it will disappear, and if you want to go with it, just click on what's next, and now it will show up the site styles, as you can see. So this is the first step of creating your store, which is choosing the site styles. So let's wait for the store to be fully loaded, and then let's choose one of these styles and see if it fits our store. So I'm going to choose this one, and then click on hide styles. Check if it fits your store. That is good. Then click on apply site styles. After that, you have the site's design, where you can change the styles again, or if you want to add an image to be your logo, change the colors, change fonts. So let's change the fonts to Comforta, this one. Then if you want to play with these adjustments, you can do that. When you're done, you click on done. Then we have the shapes. Let's change the shapes of the images to rounded, and then let's click on done. And if you want to change the site's elements also, you will need to upgrade your plan from the free one to the paid one. So let's click on done, and here, if you want, let's close this one first, dismiss all, dismiss. And here, if you want to manage these sections and items and pages, you can do that by clicking on each one. And if you want to create new ones, just click on the plus button. So that's it, guys, for today's video. I just wanted to give you an idea about how this platform works. I hope I achieved that. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends. And don't forget, if you have any question, feel free to drop it in the comment section down below.